Today we'll talk about how can you log out of your account on your Clubhouse app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so inverse, just go above here, this sign or your photo profile. You just click on it. When you just click on it here on your photo profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do next, so you just click on settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list. So then you go down here. Then you just click here on logout. When you just click here on logout, so then automatically here it's going to take you out of your account on your Clubhouse app. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.